Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decoder, and in this video I will tell you a very beautiful term plan by Tata AIA Life Insurance, and the name of the plan is Sampoorna Raksha Term Plan. In this video you will get to know about the complete information about this plan, and that we will explain in a very easy language with suitable examples, so that by the end of the video you will have clear-cut information about this Sampoorna Raksha term plan. So let's start. First, we need to know about the company. So friends, Tata AIA is a joint venture of Tata Sons Private Limited and AIA Group Limited, and the company started its operations in 2001. So it's almost 20-year-old company, and let's see about the fact sheet of the company. As far as the solvency ratio is concerned, this company has a very good solvency ratio. Against the prescribed 1.5, this company maintains 2.14 solvency ratio. Whereas the claim settlement ratio is the highest in the industry at 99.07%, and amount settlement ratio is 96.12%. So all the fact sheet figures are very good. Now let's see about the Sampoorna Raksha plan. First, we'll see the eligibility to buy Sampoorna Raksha term plan of Tata AIA Life Insurance. And the minimum age at entry is 18 years. You should be 18 years old, should be an earning person. You should have some income proof to produce to the insurance company to buy this term plan. The maximum age at entry is 70 years. You can buy plans up to 70 years. And then maximum age at maturity is 85 years, and if you are buying the whole life term plan, then the maximum age is 100 years. Minimum policy term is 10 years, and minimum sum assured is 50 lakh. There is no limit for the maximum sum assured. However, the maximum sum assured will depend on your financial capacity. The premium options, you have single premium option wherein you can pay the entire premium in one lump sum amount, and you also have the limited premium options where you can pay the premium in installments for 5 years, installment for 10 years or 12 years. You also have the option to pay premium till you attain the age of 60 years. And there is also a regular premium wherein you have to pay the premium up to the policy period. So if you have taken the policy for 30 years, you will have to pay premium for 30 years, and if you have taken the policy for say to 40 years, then you will have to pay the premium for 40 years. The premium frequency, it is available in 4 options. You can pay the premium on annual basis or semi-annual basis or quarterly basis, and you also have the option to pay the premium on monthly basis. Now we'll talk about the options available with this policy. So they have segregated the options depending on the death benefits. So first option is sum assured on death, payable on death. Second option is sum assured on death, payable on death, and monthly income thereafter for 10 years. Enhanced sum assured on death and enhanced sum assured on death plus monthly income thereafter for 10 years. We will discuss all these plans in detail with examples. So let's start one by one how these options will work. First option is sum assured on death, payable on death. So it's very plain vanilla kind of term plan, wherein the entire sum assured amount or the policy amount is paid to the nominee just immediately after the death of the policyholder. It is very simple, nothing else. So for example, Mr. Hari, aged 30 years, he has taken a policy of say 1 crore rupees, and he dies at the age of 35 years. Now, if Mr. Hari has taken option 1, then the entire sum assured, that is 1 crore rupees, will be paid to his nominees just after death of Mr. Hari. It's very simple, nothing complications. So this is very easy and clear option term plan. Now go to the option 2, and option 2 says that sum assured on death, payable on death plus monthly income thereafter. So half part is the same as option 1, and the second half of part is the additional option available. So here what happens, the entire sum assured amount is paid on the death of the policyholder. Thereafter, a sum assured, a certain part is given on a monthly basis for 10 years, and that is 1% of the sum assured. For example, Mr. Ravi, aged 30 years, has taken a policy of rupees 1 crore. If Mr. Ravi dies at the age of 35 years, then the family will get 1 crore rupees immediately after death of Mr. Hari. That is simple plan. Now the second part, that is monthly income. So here the Hari's family will be getting 1% of sum assured, that is 1 lakh rupees per month for next 10 years. That is the additional benefit given under option 2. Now let's see the option number 3, and option 3 says the enhanced sum assured on death, payable on death. So it is as similar to option 1 wherein it was written that sum assured on death. Here the word is used enhanced sum assured. Other all things are same. So what is enhanced? Sum assured under this option increases at a simple rate of 5% every year. So if you have taken a policy of 1 crore, so it will keep increasing by 5 lakh rupees every year. So this is like that only. So here, if Mr. Ravi has aged 30 years and he has taken a policy of rupees 1 crore and under enhanced option sum assured plan, so and if he dies at the age of 30 years, so here his family will get the additional amount, that is 5% for the 5 year, that is 5 lakh multiply 5, 25 lakh rupees additional will be given to the family member. So he has taken a sum assured of 1 crore, but he died after 5 years, so his family will get additional or enhanced sum assured of 25 lakh rupees. And the fourth option is similar to option 2. Here the enhanced sum assured on death, which is payable on death, plus a monthly income thereafter for 10 years. So enhanced sum assured, as we discussed in option 3, it keeps increasing at the rate of 5% per annum. That is paid immediately after the death of the nominee policyholder, and in addition to that, 1% sum assured is paid as a monthly benefit for 10 years to the nominee. How it works? Mr. Ravi, say he has aged 30 years, has taken a policy of rupees 1 crore, and he dies at the age of 35 years. So he died after 5 years, so his enhanced increased will be 25 lakh rupees, because 5% multiply 5 year, so total 25% gain he should get on sum assured, and his sum assured is 1 crore rupees, so his total enhancement will be 25 lakh rupees. So on his Mr. Ravi's death, his family will get 1.25 crore rupees, and in his family will also get 1% of sum assured as a monthly income for next 10 years. Here by mistake I have written immediately after Mr. Hari's death. It should be after the Mr. Ravi's death, because here the policy holder's name is Mr. Ravi. So whosoever is the policy holder, whatever the name his may be, so on the death of the policy holder, the family gets the enhanced sum assured, and thereafter family will keep getting 1% of sum assured for next 10 years. So here the sum assured is 1 crore. So 1% of 1 crore is 1 lakh rupees. So the family will keep getting to 1 lakh rupees per month for next 10 years. That's all the 4 plans. The premiums. So this is the indicative premium chart. So say if a person is 30 years and he is non-smoker and he wants to take a policy of rupees 1 crore rupees, and he wants to go for option 1, that is plain vanilla option, simple sum assured on death. So he will have to pay an annual premium of 8,200 rupees for the policy. That is the regular premium he will have to pay. Now if he wants to increase, go to option 2, wherein the sum assured will be paid on death, and then thereafter 1% of sum assured will be paid on monthly basis for 10 years. So in the option 2, his premium will increase from 8,200 to 12,200 rupees. Now if he wants to opt for option 3, and the option 3 is enhanced sum assured on death, there is no monthly payment thereafter, only simple enhanced sum assured on death. So here if he wants to go for the enhanced sum assured, his premium will be 9,800, that means 1,600 more than the option 1. And if he wants to go for option 4, where his sum assured will be enhanced, as well as his family will keep getting 1% of sum assured for next 10 years. So in this case, his premium will be highest, that is 14,100. So here you can see the male have different premiums. Females are getting lower premium, and smokers are getting more, have to pay more premium, and non-smokers have to pay lesser premium. Similarly, female non-smoker has to pay least premium, and male smoker has to pay highest premium. This is the kind of table for 30-year period. If you want to go and particularly check about yourself, you have to visit to Tata AI's website. Therein you can check about your details. You will have to just put your age, whether you're a smoker, non-smoker, male, female, all these details. When you will put in, you will get the premium amount that you have to pay. Now we'll talk about the other features. There is a free look period of 30 days. If you are not happy with the policy, you can surrender the policy within 30 days. And grace period is 15 days for the monthly premium payment, and 30 days for quarterly, half yearly, and semi annually premium payment. Revival period, if because of any reason you have forget to pay the premium, or you have stopped paying the premium, and thereafter if you want to continue the policy, you have the 5 years window. Within that you can go and get your policy revived. You will have to pay the unpaid premiums on, and also interest on those unpaid premiums. Then the surrender value, there is no surrender value if you have opted for the regular premium. However, there will be some repayment or the surrender value if you have opted for single or limited option. And there will not be any loan against the policy since it's a term plan, and then there will not be any conversion allowed in the policy. So you cannot convert from one option to two option or three option to four option. If you have opted for option one, it will remain as option one throughout the policy period. Similarly, you cannot also increase or decrease the sum assured. That is also not allowed under this policy. So friends, that's all for the Tata AI term plan, and I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have not opted for the notification, please click on the bell icon and select all notification, and share with your friends, family members by clicking on the share button. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Keep watching Insurance Decoder.